Hey YouTubers, here we are doing a review of the Smart Strip Advanced Power Strip. Energy saving surge protector. You know, we all have the power block hooked up to devices, and you know, when you don't want it to run throughout the night, those devices run throughout the night, you cut it off, you cut it on, and the next day you cut it off, you cut it on, and sometimes you forget. So I wanted to look for a device that would automatically help save in electricity and cut these devices off for me by automatically. So I found this device. Here it's very simple. You have the control outlet. Let's say you plug your TV in here, and you have two always on outlets. So this power will always continue to stay on as long as this entire device is on. So let's say your clock goes here, and you have this automatically switched outlets here. So let's say you plug in your surround system here, your video game system here, your computer and such, whatever here you don't want to run all throughout the night or while you're on vacation. It will switch off. These items will switch off when you switch off your control item, such as let's say the TV. So when I switch off the TV, boom, my clock is still going to run, but my other devices that are plugged up here will switch off. It's pretty simple. I've been using this device for about a week and I'm very satisfied with it. Real easy to set up, plug and play. Let's flip it over so you can read the back, and I'll just run down the back of the box so you can read it for yourself. The features. So it comes very handy again when you kind of forget about or you get tired of switching your regular power strip off and on, off and on. This really helps out. I'll actually show the one. I actually bought a couple of them, and I'll show you one of mine that's hooked up already. The big idea is to save in electricity cost and save those devices from being on 24/7. Let me switch over and show you how I have my setup. Okay YouTubers, here I am back with the second half of the video review on the Smart Strip. Here it is, actually plugged up and running. It's a circuit breaker as well, so right now it's on. If it trips, a surge protector goes off, you'll just hit the button to reset. It comes back on. As you can see, I have my control outlet, which is the TV. Nothing in the always on outlets, and I have 3 devices plugged into the switched outlets: DVD player, cordless phone, and this is a heater. When you first get the device, you may need to adjust the settings, and that can be done right there with a very small screwdriver. And you just basically adjust it. The instructions will tell you how to adjust it to make the automatically switched devices cut off. Real simple. TV is off, DVD player is off. TV on, TV on, TV on, DVD player on. Close phone on. No difference in the device. TV and DVD off. When the TV goes off, DVD player should go off. TV off. DVD player just shut off. As well as the cordless phone charger. Basically that's it. I've enjoyed this device. It works pretty well. Links are below for the product on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks.